before we get into today's video, there's one thing I want to get out of the way. I wear glasses. Yeah, not that many people know I wear glasses because, well, I don't like wearing glasses, but you guys aren't here to see me. You're here to check out some GSs, so let's get straight into it. Let's start off with J Sanon 36. J has RSR Super Downs, tinted DRLs, carbon fiber mirror caps, F-Sport puddle lights, wrapped caliper, wrapped chrome grille. Let's check it out. And oh, okay, yeah, so right away, man, I hope, Jay, that you're staying safe and away from the police, because here in California, if you had this, bad things will happen to you with law enforcement. It reminds me of the freaking Red Eyes Black Dragon.
It's Red Eyes Black Dragon! Where did that come from?
I could see how some people would say that this looks a little tacky. This looks straight up G. This looks hard as hell. I do see the wrapped calipers, which I think is super sick. It's cool how wrapping your calipers is becoming a thing now, because man, if you paint your calipers, you're stuck with that color. If you wrap them, you can mess around, pick the color that you like. I might be wrapping my calipers soon. If you guys want to see that, subscribe to the channel. Checking out the cinematic right here. I like the music. I see it, man. I see it. Come on, give you props for shooting a cinematic and showing this. Maybe it wasn't done on purpose, but the fog headlights. If you guys have this issue, I have a video on it. Check it out. I'm jealous because these don't look that good on white cars. I might do it just cause, see what it looks like, and if it doesn't look good, just yank them off. But yeah, thank you for sharing, Jay. Next, we got Kenny H. Dang. He is running BC Extreme Lows, an aftermarket eBay lip, HPS and performance intake, muffler delete, and vibrant resonators. See what we got. Start off with this picture. I'm already liking it. The slides with sock look. Appreciate that. Holy crap, dude, you are low as hell. How the heck is your lip not cooked, man? Being this low. I'm on RSR regular downs, and the Extreme Online Store lip definitely has helped a lot. But man, back when I had my other lip, it was absolutely crazy to have a lip and be this low. Damn, this is a pretty cool shot, man. You got this freaking sky blue, super low GS. What's not to love? Let's see what we got here. Is that another? That's a third generation GS, right? Looks nice next to his older brother. I think this right here is my favorite clip for sure, because who would have ever thought you could fit a GS underneath the net? It just shows how low Kenny's GS is. Definitely my favorite vid. Yeah, thank you, Kenny, for sharing. Appreciate it. Next up, we got Logan Lancel. So his GS is pretty stock. The only thing he has is the shift knob boot, and that's it. But that is perfectly okay, because I did see a quick preview of these pics. I haven't looked into detail, but this GS is gonna be a lot nicer than you think. Watch, check this out, right here. Straight to the money. Look at that. He's got like the ultimate luxury edition. So he's got the rear controls in the back, man, which I think is super sick. I've looked into retrofitting this into my GS. Man, it's not easy and it's not cheap, but it's crazy cool. Here you can see another executive GS Rolls Royce status, where you got the window shades. And the other thing too is, man, look at how clean this GS is. It's a pre-refresh and it looks immaculate. Shout out Logan for definitely taking care of your GS. Check out this video. That's super clean. Actually, is that a Golf? Let me see if I can zoom in. That right there, that is sick. You know, these wheels are really rare. It's crazy. I never see these wheels. So thank you, Logan, for sharing. Next up, we got Jorge Romo. He's got tint, muffler delete, and puddle lights. Let's check it out. Honestly, I love this pick because I like to go to parks. You know, me and my girl, we walk around a lot. And this pic just reminds me of that, you know, find a cool spot to park my GS and just look back and admire it, which is what Jorge's doing right now. That tint, man, is pretty dark, but it looks clean. Like, you can see the reflection off the tint. Gotta love the horse in the back. That's a pretty cool shot. Now, Jorge, really love the GS. And even though it's stock, man, thank you for submitting it. I know some people might be like, oh, Eddie, GS350, you're just trying to be Mr. Positive, man. And you know what? Maybe I am, because I want everyone to enjoy their GS. And Jorge gave me a list of all the mods he has coming up, which is pretty cool. Everyone is at different points in their lives. Not everyone's ready to, you know, clap out their GS like me. Appreciate it, Jorge. Thank you for submitting. That's also why I'm not rating these cars on a scale of 1 out of 10, because, you know, that's not what this channel is about. I know some people might be like, ah, come on, man, that's a cop out, but that's the vibe I'm going for. And honestly, all these builds, I would give them a 10 because if you gave me any of these cars, I'll enjoy the hell out of it. If that's your style, hit the subscribe button. If this video gets 100 new subscribers, I will dance on camera. That's right, I will dance on camera. No more Mickey Mouse thing, let's move on. And we got Austin Vaughn with BC Racing coilovers, aim gain carbon diffuser, wanna check that out. Apexi catback exhaust, V-Forge, SLAs, specs are 20x9, 35s. Let's check it out. Man, I've never heard of V-Forge. I'm not gonna come on here and lie to you guys and be like, oh yeah, V-Forge wheels, I know what these are. But these look absolutely sick. Let's check out another shot. Oh yeah, there we go. Are these DRLs? How did you get that chrome insert there? Do you have, I'm so confused. Huh, I guess the non-F Sports, my favorite part about this chrome insert here is that it matches the wheel. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Let's check out the aim gain diffuser. There it is, and the quad exhaust. This looks pretty sick. It looks like it's like titanium or purple, but yeah, this looks super nice. Thank you, Austin, for sharing. Let's check out Fonzie, who has window visors, a blacked out grille, and RSR downsprings. Oh man, I see it already. It looks super clean. Actually, I think this is probably when he first got the car, because that's stock height right there. It's way too high up. And I think the grille was not blacked out in this picture. So let's see what's, all right, so then, all right, the car gets lowered. And if you recognize this shop, it is Tommy at Music Box. Check out my RSR lowering video. I went there too. Great work by Tommy. There we go. That's more like it. Looks more appropriate for the GS, no more monster truck. If you guys have been following the channel, you know that that's been one of my biggest complaints about the GS. There's a lot of people who actually like that about the GS, like how high it sits up. But for me, man, needed to get rid of that monster truck. I do see, Fonzie, that one of your visors fell out. And honestly, man, I think it's time for well visors. Those are gonna look a lot sleeker on the car. Looks like we got a rolling shot here. Yeah, this is what this channel's all about. Enjoying your GS, you know, driving around the sunset. Super clean shot. Let's see what we got here. Yep, got cheddar and blow. You got cheddar and blow. Buy a GS and mod the crap out of it, right? Thank you, Fonzie, for sharing. Next up, we have Hidden 3IS. And yes, we do, because this is a 3IS with freaking GS wheels. You've seen it first here on Eddie GS350's channel. This looks so good. I love the look. I've never seen anyone grab these wheels and throw on another car, but you got Hidden 3IS here who was like, yep, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Yeah, it fits perfectly, man. The stance, this almost makes me want to throw my OEM wheels back on my car. For some reason, these look shinier on your car than it does on ours. Thank you, Hidden 3IS, for sending these in. You are also going to be in the raffle for your own Lexus key fob, since the 3IS also uses it. If you guys have a 3IS, ekcstore.com. Wait, right there. Next up, we have Chris Dawes. I didn't get the mod list for Chris, but let's check it out. Let's see what he got. And yep, you see it right here. Looks clean. You rarely see this color on the GS. Man, you know, honestly, the freaking channel name is Eddie GS350, and I don't know this off the top of my head. If this is an OEM color, or if you got this painted or wrapped, either way, it looks really nice, and there's a reason for that, because this is what the build is based off of. Chris did get some newer wheels, the dark chrome. It looks crazy good on this color. I'm not gonna lie to you, Chris. I like these wheels more than your other ones, even if it doesn't match the aesthetic of, it's kind of embarrassing. I'm not really sure what shoes these are, but if it doesn't match the aesthetic of the Jordans. Hey man, this looks crazy clean. Thank you for sharing, Chris. Appreciate it. Next up, we got Nolan Farmer, which is with a K&N intake, RR racing tune. Hey, it's all performance, man. No Mickey Mouse there. 0.5 inch spacers. Oh, extreme online store, side skirt and front lips. Pretty cool. Rear black emblems and red gear shifter. Let's check it out. Holy crap. Did you pull this from like the freaking Lexus website? Definitely like 10 out of 10. for keeping the interior this clean. And I guess the same goes for the exterior. Looks really clean. Love the Extreme Online Store lip. And you got the triple beams. Man, this is top of the line GS. Yep. All right, guys, if you don't want to lower your car, this is the way to go, because its car looks a little bit lower due to the side skirt and the lip. Because, you know, when you mess with the suspension, there's a lot of freaking BS that comes with that. This is one way to get the look without, you know, getting some of the BS. Looks really clean. I think the only thing you're missing is some OEM visors or well visors. It's like the missing piece. If it wasn't for the Extreme Online Store lip, I would say he got this from the freaking Lexus website. Cool picture, super clean GS. Thank you for sharing, Nolan. Next up, we got Fabulous. Let me start here. Guys, anything is possible if you put your mind to it. You can become a dentist, you can become a doctor, and you can take a GS from this to this if you put your mind to it. You just gotta, you know, work hard and believe, be strong, set your sight on your goals. If you guys want to check out more of this build, there's a freaking YouTube channel dedicated to it. So check out Fabulous YouTube channel, link down below. My favorite part of this build is the wheels. I believe these wheels were made for the 2IS, and he threw them on a GS, and yeah, it looks really nice. Let's check out some more. See, this is a complete build. Oh yeah, that looks, got the visors up. I wish my car, well, I don't wish my car was black because I do like my white car, but I wish my car wasn't, all right. If my car wasn't white, I would have one of these roof spoilers up on top too, but it just doesn't look good on white cars or light cars really. Looks really good on black cars where it's kind of paint matched. Yeah, super clean shot right here. Thank you, Richie, for sharing. This is back when it was stock versus upgraded. Next up, we got Sled GS with RC350 wheels, spacers, a Nia trunk spoiler, Borla axle back, eBay front lip, eBay side skirts, nothing wrong with eBay parts, RSR best active coilovers, and a tune with front and rear strut bars. Let's check it out. And oh man, you know, right away, my favorite types of pictures, the garage shot picture. And you know, this is one thing that you guys don't know about me because I've never said on the channel, but I love big buildings. Like just taking, I don't know, I just love looking at big buildings. And the next picture is what freaking Eddie GS350 is all about. A GS with some big buildings in the background. That's actually why you guys see the Jollibee building in my videos so much, because it's the one big building next to me. And this looks crazy clean. Love the build. Definitely got the fitment on point. Oh yeah, this right here. Yeah, thank you for sharing. Yeah, it's a little bit similar to how my car used to look because I had the same side skirt and lip, but completely different direction. Last but not least, we got Syndicate GS350. I don't have a mod list for this, but man, you know, I'm not sure what wheels these are, but I like the wheels. I like the black and chrome. It just matches throughout because you got the black here, you got the black here, you got the chrome here, you got the chrome there, black here, chrome there. The next thing I love about it is the fog lights. Guys, there is a fog light video coming up soon. If you're not subscribed, you gotta hit the subscribe button right now so you don't miss that fog light video. Love the Nia kit. Yeah, this looks crazy clean. Let's take a look at another picture. Yeah, this right here looks super nice. Yep, fog lights. The reason why I like the fog lights is because sometimes I'll watch like some of the Japanese videos on the GS350, and those dudes up there, they get everything good up there. Well, I guess that's where they make them, because that's why they get all the good stuff. They all have fog lights on their cars, and us over here, we gotta jump through a bunch of hoops to get fog lights on ours. But subscribe if you want to see that video. All right, guys, as promised, you want to be in the shot, Cookie? All right, he'll be in the shot. As promised, one lucky winner who submitted their GS is gonna win their own key fob. So you can pick any color you want from ekcstore.com to the winner. For me to be unbiased, I will not be the one clicking the spin button. So no Mickey Mouse here on the Eddie GS350 channel.
Let's see who wins. 3, 2, 1. Who's that?
Crazy.
Hidden 3IS.
You know what? There's no Mickey Mouse on the Eddie GS350 channel. I'm gonna do one more. Do one more for all my subscribers, all my supporters.
Why?
I'm gonna do. He's
Two?
gonna get one, and then one more person's gonna get one.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Syndicate GS350.
You know, I was really only planning on having one winner, but I was like, you know what? People might be like, hey, that guy doesn't even have a GS, what the hell? So I was like, you know, there's no Mickey Mouse on this channel. 2 winners it is. If you guys want your own Lexus key fob, ekcstore.com. Right now, we're about to go eat. And of course, that's what this channel's all about, enjoying your Lexus. So we're gonna take the Lexus. All right, guys, as always, peace.